The Julie Schenecker tragedy, from devoted mother to child killer due to untreated mental illness. Julie Powers Schenecker was born on January 13, 1961, in Muscatine, Iowa. She grew up in a typical household with her parents and two siblings. A high-achieving student, Julie graduated high school in 1978 and earned a degree in physical education and coaching in 1982. After college, she joined the U.S. Army and was assigned to the Defense Language Institute, where she studied Russian language and culture. By 1987, she was fluent in Russian and was working in military intelligence in Munich, Germany. That same year, she met Army Lieutenant Parker Schenecker, and the two married on October 10, 1992. In New Orleans. Just after their wedding, Julie disclosed that she had suffered from depression for many years. The couple continued serving in the military in Germany until Julie left the service in 1994 to focus on raising a family. They had two children, daughter Calix, born on September 12, 1994. And son Beau, born on September 29, 1997. Following Beau's birth, Julie experienced severe postpartum depression. The family's life was frequently disrupted by Parker's military assignments, requiring frequent relocations. In 2001, Julie was hospitalized for 9 months due to worsening depression. She was diagnosed with bipolar disorder and schizoaffective disorder, a conflicting combination, as the latter already encompasses manic and psychotic symptoms. Later, her more accurate diagnosis was determined to be bipolar disorder with psychotic features. Although she was prescribed various psychiatric medications, Julie often failed to adhere to her treatment plan. In 2006, after stopping her medication, she was again hospitalized. The family eventually moved to a spacious $450,000 home in Tampa, Florida. In 2007. Outwardly, Julie appeared to be an involved and energetic mother. However, she increasingly exhibited anger and aggression, especially toward her children. In 2010, she slapped her daughter Calix multiple times. Calix reported the incident to her school counselor, and the police were notified. However, because there were no visible injuries, Julie was not charged. That same year, Julie caused a car accident and showed signs of substance abuse. Although she avoided drug testing at the hospital, she later admitted to being addicted to alcohol and oxycodone and entered a 21-day treatment program. The shocking crime. On January 22, 2011, Julie purchased a Smith & Wesson .38 caliber revolver, claiming she needed it for self-defense due to rising crime in the area. However, she lied on the federal background check form, stating that she did not use illegal drugs or abuse substances. On January 28, Julie's mother called the police after being unable to reach her daughter or grandchildren. When officers arrived at the house, they found Julie sitting calmly by the backyard pool. When asked where her children were, she pointed to the house and said, "They're inside." Officers discovered 16-year-old Calix dead in her bed, shot twice in the head. Her 13-year-old brother Beau was found in the family van in the garage, also shot in the head. Julie admitted to shooting Beau while driving him to soccer practice, claiming he was talking back. She then returned home and shot Calix while the girl was doing homework. Julie was arrested and charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder. During her 2014 trial, her defense argued that she was legally insane and could not distinguish right from wrong due to her mental illness. However, the jury found that she was aware of the nature and wrongfulness of her actions. She was convicted and sentenced to life in prison without parole. Psychological analysis and conclusion. Julie Schenecker had a well-documented history of severe mental illness, bipolar disorder with psychotic features, multiple psychiatric hospitalizations, and signs of tardive dyskinesia, a serious side effect of antipsychotic medications. 6 mental health experts agreed she was mentally ill. But 3 prosecution experts testified that she still understood the difference between right and wrong. Julie's own journal entries were damning. She referred to her plan as evil and expressed frustration at having to wait several days to receive the gun. She even left a note on the door implying the family had gone to New York on vacation, indicating an intent to mislead others. Despite her claims of innocence and ongoing appeals, the evidence clearly showed Julie planned the killings, knew they were wrong, and took steps to cover them up. Under Florida law, the insanity defense requires clear and convincing proof that the defendant did not understand the wrongfulness of their actions. Julie did not meet this standard. This case is a chilling reminder of the devastating consequences that can result from untreated or poorly managed mental illness, especially when compounded by substance abuse. It also raises difficult questions about individual responsibility, the limits of mental health care, and the tragic outcomes when intervention fails.